Alright guys, it's your boy Neil Wilson Kicks back at it. Today this here really makes me happy. I got my first unboxing, and the thing that's special about this unboxing is from a company I really like, that I actually wear their material, I rock with, and it's Field Grade. I reached out to them, you know, trying to set up something, but maybe in the future it'll work out once I get everything kind of bigger, but you know, you don't know till you try. But either way it go, Field Grade sent me some hats here. The main thing I like about this that I didn't even think about is that they actually put the channel name on there. As you can see, kind of make sure that can zoom in, focus. I don't know if you see that, but hopefully you do. But they put the channel name on there, man, and just seeing that alone just motivates me. And this is my videos mainly to all the guys, all my subscribers that's out there that say, hey, keep doing what you're doing and give me motivational stuff. And I appreciate it, man. So that's why I'm doing this unboxing here, mainly for you guys, because you guys keep me motivated. And to come back doing this at times, I was like, oh, I got too much going on. But I said, let me stop, get back to doing what I'm doing. People hit me up saying, hey, what's the content? You stop and you doing, don't stop, keep going. So I'm back with this video here. But without further ado, man, I'm gonna get to the unboxing here. I kind of already opened the box. I haven't seen the hats yet, but I kind of opened the box already, just to see what was inside or whatever. But I'll let you guys see it at the same time on me. So there's the actual face of the box you see when you open it up. That's the Field Grade logo, if you don't know. And if you into hats and stuff like I am and everything, go check them out, man. You'll see a couple of my videos where I'm actually wearing their hats and things. And usually you can get these hats out of like what is it, Hibbett's, Jimmy Jazz, places like that. I don't know if Foot Locker, Foot Action carry them. I never got them out of there. I always get them out of Hibbett's or Jimmy Jazz, somewhere like that. DTLR, places like that I usually get it out of. But give a good view of the box itself. Hopefully you can see all of that. Came in a nice packaging. I actually like this box here. I actually like the design that they put on here, you know, really dope. Let's open it up here and see. Okay. Pretty dope. I can rock this. Just kind of let me know when they sent me this. I guess they kind of seen what I wear, because mainly I wear like the black hats with all like the one solid color hat. It's not like a crazy multi-color different hat where it's like the hat itself is different color, not a logo or whatever's on there. I could care less of what's on there, what the colorway of. I do care what's on it, but just the colorway, because I can always try to find something to match up with, as long as it's something dope. But this one here says, welcome to the future. That's dope. Nice little spin off on there. She put the colorway of the Back to the Future logo and stuff to us. Sometimes the thing I like about these hats is that you see it and you automatically think, oh, you'd have thought it says Back to the Future if you just do a quick glance. When you actually look at it and pay attention, you're like, oh, okay, that's what it says. And they do that spin with a lot of stuff, man. I like that. That is dope. Oh, the juice. I got the juice, baby. That's what they telling me. I got the juice. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but yeah, I can rock this. Hell, this kind of go what I got on now. What you think? What you guys think? Shit, I think so. But anyways, man. Yeah, so they sent me these, man. Shout out to Field Grade, man. I appreciate the love, and hopefully, you know, we'll keep working on that collab. I ain't giving up. I got a feeling I'm gonna get it. I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna keep pushing for it. But man, this is a shout out to all my fans, all the ones that's following me, man, and give my support and keep me motivated, man. I love you guys, and you guys be safe out there. It's getting kind of crazy here, but man, I just never thought we'll see a day like this here where you gotta think twice about going outside. You gotta worry about, you know, who you talk to, who you interact with. But like I said, we strong, man. We're gonna make the best of it. I had to just get outside, get in the car, just go get a couple laps in and do something, man, because I was getting kind of stir crazy. But, you know, it is what it is, man. I can't really say too much about it. It is what it is. But this your boy Neil with some kicks. And until the next video, I'll holler at you.